The head of the International Energy Agency said on Wednesday that he expected China's economy to perform better this year, coupled with a rise in demand for oil and gas. He also highlighted the green role China plays in green technologies.
I think China is today the biggest driver of the clean energy technologies. China is today the world's number one in solar, number one in wind, number one in electric cars, and so this is very good. But at the same time, China has to find ways to deal with its coal emissions. But I very much hope that China will reach a peak of emissions before 2030 and will reach its targets.
China aims to have its CO2 emissions peak before 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality before 2060. The International Monetary Fund projected global economic growth to slow down from 3.2% to 2.7% this year in its report last November, while it expected the Chinese economy to expand by 4.4% in 2023.